doing another video. I don't actually know which order these are going to be in. Kind of piecemealed a bunch of content together in pieces. Got a lot of projects going on all at once right now. So hi, I'm JB. Welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, channel is Jotmon. Story behind it's actually kind of funny. Real briefly, even though there's an intro ahead of this. Jack of all trades, master of none. It's kind of, for lack of a better way of putting it, really me. I am very skilled at a lot of things. Most of them mechanical, maintenance, those kind of things. There are other things that, you know, eventually down the road I'll do some videos on those as well. But for the moment, most of what I'm going to be doing is mechanical work, things with cars, electrical. We'll probably end up doing some plumbing, electrical for some residential stuff. As time goes on, I'm going to do my best to explain all the steps and actually show all the steps. Right now I'm working with a phone and a small, just, you know, basic camcorder. So I'm doing the best that I can with what I got. As time goes on, I plan on getting some more equipment, being able to do much better videos. So hopefully you find this video useful, informative, etc., etc. And yeah, we'll go from there. For this one, for the moment, we're doing some wiring for trailer hitch. A lot of these videos are going to be concepts, so it's a concept that'll work with multiple different vehicles, multiple different styles. As things go on, I'll get more specific, hopefully. One thing I've noticed is I've done a lot of looking around on YouTube, and there is a lot of videos that are, you know, for example, with my car, I have an old Pontiac. It's 2006, 16 years old. I'm in the process of repairing it. That's not what this video is about, but in the process of repairing it, and you can find tons of videos on Malibus. Chevy Malibus, which they use the same engines, but they're different bodies. So a lot of the peripherals, a lot of the other things are very different. So seeing as that's the case, I'm going to be doing some specific videos on specific repairs for that vehicle, because I can't find them on YouTube anywhere. Plenty of concept videos, things that are similar, but I found that specifics, for instruction purposes, for anybody who's trying to DIY this kind of stuff themselves, is much easier doing those specific things and having a video where somebody who either has a solid concept of what they're doing or knows exactly what they're doing, showing you how to do it. It's infinitely better if you're trying to do that yourself. So we're going to be doing a lot of things like that. For the moment, I'm trying not to keep these videos too awful long. My apologies for the bouncing around. I'm going to show you some soldering techniques, all of the things that I did in this particular video. So at the moment, what I'm working with is, this is my wife's 2012 Nissan Pathfinder. So the hatch is open. I'll be doing another video. We got some problems with the lift gate hatch not working. I'll do that in another video. Case in point, the strap that holds the door down. For the moment, what we're doing though is, this vehicle is very capable of towing, as you can see from the hitch. The problem is, when I tried to plug it in, the wiring didn't work. Come to find out, somebody probably had like a 7 or a 9 wire system attached to this. Problem is, they had a 4 wire attachment on it. So like I said, these videos are going to kind of bounce around a little bit. Right now what I'm doing is the reinstall but I will show you here in a second all the work that went into splicing the wire together so that I could actually use it. Pretty sure I got it all handled. This is where the joint was. I had to solder some wires back together. All that solder works under here, under this cable conduit. So we're gonna put it back together, test it, and see if it works. So I'm gonna show you how I did the wiring, how I did the putting it together, some concepts there, and we'll go from there. So here it goes. baby. Oh, yeah. Wrap up for this one. Again, this is a 2012 Nissan Pathfinder. Nissan being a Japanese produced vehicle, putting all the things together for a trailer hitch can kind of be annoying. The difference in how they do things over there versus how we do things over here. There's a lot of special equipment you have to get. Not too worried about the kit with all the relays. There's plenty of videos out there that show you how to do that. For me, this one was just showing tips and tricks on how to do wiring, things that I've learned, just showing you the process, what I did, how I did it. Hopefully the video helps you out. As always, I'm JB, channel's Jotmon. Jack of all trades is a master of none, but I'm still better than a master of one. See y'all later.